How to permanently delete Binance account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open a Binance application on your device. Now at the top left corner, click on the Binance icon. Now tap on your profile and username. Now on this page, click on security. Now scroll down and tap on manage account. Now if you want to disable your account, tap on disable account. Or if you want to permanently delete your account, click on delete account. Now select your reason and click on continue. Now tap on accept and continue. Now, now select the toggle I agree and accept to lose my all message. Now select the option I agree and click on delete account. Now enter the verification code from your mail. Open up your Gmail on your device. Now open up the mail and copy the code. Go back to the Binance and paste the code here. And that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.